Did you know that nearly 48 million Americans suffer from some form of hearing loss? If you're one of them, you're not just losing sound, you're losing connections, experiences, and moments that matter. But what if I told you that you might be able to regain that lost clarity? Let's dive in. Hearing loss isn't just an inconvenience, it's a significant health issue that can dramatically affect your quality of life. Here's why you need to pay attention. Social isolation can set in, leading to feelings of loneliness and depression. It can impact your relationships, making conversations frustrating or impossible. And it's linked to cognitive decline. Research shows that untreated hearing loss can increase the risk of dementia by 200 to 500%. But it gets worse. Think about it. Ignoring these signs can lead to further deterioration of your hearing. You might find yourself missing out on the laughter of loved ones or the sounds of nature. Your world starts to shrink, and that's a reality that too many are facing today. Luckily, there's hope. Introducing Quietum Plus, a groundbreaking health supplement formulated to support your auditory health. This isn't just another pill, it's a powerful blend designed to help you reclaim the sounds you love. Quietum Plus combines carefully selected natural ingredients that work synergistically to promote ear health and improve hearing function. Ingredients like herbal extracts and essential vitamins have been shown in studies to help reduce inflammation and improve circulation, which is crucial for maintaining healthy hearing. Now, you may be wondering, why should you trust Quietum Plus? My name is your name, and I've spent years researching natural health solutions. I know how challenging hearing loss can be, and I've seen firsthand the positive impact that the right nutrients can have on ear health. And the best part? This product is backed by research that supports its effectiveness. Take a look at these testimonials. Users have reported improvements in their hearing clarity and overall ear health after just a few weeks of using Quietum Plus. One user said they could finally hear the birds chirping again after months of silence. So, what exactly do you get with Quietum Plus? Here's a breakdown. 1. A unique formula designed to support your hearing health and function. 2. Essential nutrients that nourish your ears and reduce inflammation. 3. Ongoing support for cognitive function, because your brain deserves care too. But here's the thing, you don't want to wait. The sooner you start taking action, the sooner you can experience the benefits. And for those who act now, we have some exclusive bonuses that you don't want to miss. Act now, and you'll receive special access to guides on ear health and bonus supplements that can further enhance your experience with Quietum Plus. These offers are only available for a limited time, so don't hesitate. You didn't come here just to watch, you came to reclaim your hearing and your life. Ignoring these symptoms means settling for a muted existence, and I know you want to experience every moment fully. With Quietum Plus, you're not just making a choice for today, you're investing in your future well-being. So don't wait any longer. Click the link in the description and see how Quietum Plus can help you restore the sounds of life. You deserve to hear them all again. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, let us know your thoughts below. Be sure to hit like, subscribe, and send this video to someone who needs a fresh start on their health.